Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix CapCut smooth slow motion not working problem. So if you want to create smooth slow motion videos in CapCut, but apparently the smooth slow motion is not working or get some error, you can try to fix it by using the steps right here. So first, you can just close the CapCut app first and then go to the settings on your phone, and then just find the app settings, this one. Click on see all apps and then just search for TikTok apps on the list in here. Okay, this one's right here. You can click on CapCut and you'll find the app info of CapCut, and then you can just tap on these permissions right here. And here you need to make sure that you've already allowed all of the permissions, including notifications in here. Okay, you need to enable all of the permissions, and after that you can go back and go to the storage and cache. You can try to clear the cache of the app and see if the problem is fixed. If it hasn't, you can just open the app info again and you can try to clear the storage. You can tap on delete, but when you do that you need to fill in your login info again, or you'll be logged out from CapCut. So after the next time you open it, you need to re-log in again. Okay, you can just go back here. After you do that, you can just reboot your phone first, and then after that turn it back on and you can try to open CapCut again. But if it still hasn't fixed, you can try to see the Play Store and see if the CapCut apps need any updates, or probably your CapCut version is not the latest, so you need to update it before you can use it first. Okay, so I've already on the latest version, so it's not a problem. And you can also try to uninstall it first and then reinstall it again and see if that problem is fixed. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can fix CapCut smooth slow motion not working. I hope that this will be helpful for you. So if you got any question, you can always leave the comment down below. You can write anything in the comment, ask me anything, and don't forget to like this video and leave a thanks, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye.